Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I have a 2-year-old and I have gone through so many different sets trying to find the best feeding set for him for eating on his own. I think I finally found it with this 7-piece set from OPIUTA. This has everything that you're gonna need for your toddler to start eating on their own without making a giant mess.
I love that it is safe for the dishwasher and also the microwave, so when I'm making his breakfast, I don't have to use a bunch of different plates to heat things up. I also like that it's sectioned, so he doesn't like his food touching, so this is perfect. It's nice and deep also, so when I put the yogurt in it, I'm not worried that it's gonna spill over the edge when he's trying to spoon it out, and he likes a lot of yogurt, so that is perfect. I've also never seen him so excited for a cup. He loves that it is shaped like a bear. He always asks for his bear cup. It is his favorite, and the handles are perfect for him to hold on to. I really love that it is spill proof, so it doesn't matter if he has it on the couch or he knocks it over. He also can't pull the straw out, which he does with all of his other cups, so I do love that also. This lid really stays on, so I love that even if you put it completely upside down, nothing comes out even if you shake it a little bit. I also love having this bowl for his snacks because he likes to carry it around.
If you have a toddler or baby yourself who is starting to eat on their own, or you need to get a good gift for a friend, I highly recommend this set. I love every single piece, and I love that it is dishwasher and microwave safe. There's nothing better than that. And that's my point of view.